Logan's making a necklace. The last time we did this was when Grandma was here. But he remembered what necklace meant. He said collier when I said necklace. He also remembers how to do it. He's done now 2. Why don't you put another one on now, Logan? What colors are they? What colors are they?
Green.
Green and?
Pink.
Pink and? What color is this?
Blue.
Yeah.
Blue.
Yellow.
Collier.
Yeah, you're making a necklace.
Necklace.
Or in French, what do we say in French? Collier. Yeah. Good job, Logan. Uh-oh. It's hard, isn't it? Good job. That's a good technique. Sitting on the ground is probably a good technique. I'll have to tell his Montessori teacher he likes doing this so she can have it as an activity in the class. I'm sure she wouldn't put this many noodles on it. What a catastrophe that would be in the class. Like what we're doing right now. Oh, Logan, do you need that many out of the box? Yeah. Why don't we put them in this box or something? There we go.